How to download PrimeXBT on your Android device. Are you guys facing issues to download PrimeXBT on mobile devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To download PrimeXBT on a mobile device, first of all open Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Play Store, click on search icon and search for PrimeXBT. After you search for PrimeXBT, click on the second option where you can see this option for PrimeXBT trading platform. Tap on it, then after click on install button. As soon as you click on install, your app will start to download. It might take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as it gets downloaded, it will appear on your home screen. Just simply tap on it and you will be able to launch this app. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to download PrimeXBT. Bye bye.